Todd Dawson, number 22 on the return. Tim.
Yeah. Okay, there it is. 52, watching the middle guard. Angle to the tight end side. Angle to the tight end.
Vance Yetz, the ball carrier.
Throw, 22 track. Angled right to the tight end side, yeah. Okay, here we go. 52 again. 22 track. Running the same way.
Virgil Sanford on the carry. Tim Altier along with Steve Truckley.
Pinch. There it is.
Todd Baker on the carry for Big Red. Number 50, Jim Toothman will punt for Steubenville. Jimmy Morris along with Steve Truckley deep for the Tornadoes.
Catch the ball.
Return the right side. Good kick. It's perfect. Get him. Get him. Get him.
Steve Truckley on the return.
Down here. Tight splits.
Bounce right. This way.
Right.
Counter.
Freddie Todd on the carry.
Okay, because I didn't see it.
Steve Truckley for the Tornadoes. Virgil Sanford. Jim Morris on the carry. Tony Demetris leading Big Red.
You know that? You got to go for the ball.
We got 24.
Mammarella's punt down by number 47, Steve Truckley.
49.
Look at this. No guard for it.
Vance Yetz on the carry.
15. Corner's up tighter now. Nobody blocked nobody.
Tackling.
Virgil Sanford on the carry.
Tackling it out.
They're on.
Okay, good.
Come on, turn it.
Todd Baker on the carry. Number 40.
I'm watching.
Look at this.
Baker's pass intended for Marty Nezik. Incomplete.
Yeah. Over here. 6 tips to the inside. Look at this. Pushing in hard, didn't
Vance Yetz on the carry. Tim Fox.
England to our tight end side. That means at the end to our twin sides coming hard.
We're playing man. Playing man. Passing situation. See that?
Yep.
Man.
Vance Yetz, the Big Red ball carrier. Rick Zerker along with Steve 37 deep for the Tornadoes.
Hit him. All right. 19.
Ball is down at the 19. Freddie Todd on the carry. Rodney James, number 26, on the stop for Steubenville.
Coach, we get Walker over there, one of the guards, to tell him to step on that play.
Mike Bayer's pass to Jim Morris, complete.
Tahashi got his leg.
Number 5, Mike Bayer on the carry. Virgil Sanford on the stop for Steubenville.
Standing.
Freddie Todd on the carry.
Coach, we got 46 and 47.
Elrico Stinson on. Steve Truckley on the carry. Mike Toloski on the tackle for Big Red. Will punt for Dover.
You can't get conservative. You gotta throw the ball. Coach, about 39 low, or 38 low pass.
Mamarella's punt down by. Todd Baker's pass, first and 10 for the Big Red 32.
He went almost straight back.
Mike Bayer's pass intended for Rob Corbett, incomplete. Steve Truckley on the carry.
I'll tell you one thing.
Mike Bayer's pass in. Mike Bayer on the carry. Elrico Stinson. Steve Truckley on the carry. Nick Demetris on the.
Just on the gap. What's the impact of the
Steve Truckley on the carry. Vance Yetz along.
How he's doing with him, if he can take him where he wants to go or what. He's way down at the other end of the... He's way down at the other end.
Mike Bayer sacked on the play. Elrico Stinson, the 37-yard field goal.
Can you take him where he wants to go? Huh? Can he run 12 and 14?
The kick is no good. Wide right. Automatic touchback.
Jesus, criminy! What?
Virgil Sanford,
Just beat him front side.
Brian Burl, and Mark.
That's...
Mamarilla on the stop.
We're not getting nothing out of the tack. Fine. Wait, Mike, way to dig.
In 6 from the Big Red 34.
Come on, run with it.
Todd Baker on the carry. Fumble on the play. Tim Altier on the recovery. Freddie Todd on the carry. Steve Truckley on the carry. Demetris along with Vance Yetz, the 8-yard line. Steve Truckley on the carry. Mike Bear's pass complete to Jimmy Morris. Vance Johnson. Penalty marker on a play. Freddie Todd on a carry. Virgil Sanford with initial contact. Jeff. Steve Truckley on the carry. 2 yards, touchdown Dover. Full attempt a point. Kick is good.
Combo.
Virgil Sanford returns Heller's kickoff. Number 38, Robbie Jones on the tackle.
I know, he's off, you're right. That's who made the tackle. That's who made the tackle. No, they want wide side this time.
Roughing the passer.
Todd Baker's pass intended for Marty Nezik, incomplete. Penalty marker on the play.
He's staying. He's not. No, he's not. He's staying on the.
Straight across.
God dang.
Todd Baker's pass intended for Virgil Sanford, incomplete. Vance Yetz on a carry.
15 options.
Terry Young along. Vance Yates on the carry. Tim Fox with it.
No monster. Inbreak.
Baker fumbles the pitch out. Scott Heller on the recovery for Dover.
God.
Freddie Todd on the carry. Nick Dummy.
That line sure looked like it was monkey.
Jimmy Morris on the carry.
Let's go, dude!
Oh boy.
Mike Bear on the carry. Mike Tulosky, Radio 1340 in Steubenville. Nice to have you gentlemen with us.
God.
Vance Yates, the ball carrier. Tim. Todd Baker's pass to number 87, Frank King, complete. 25 yards, touchdown, Steubenville. Nick Demetris will attempt the point. The kick is no good, wide left. Deep for Dover. Ron Smith on the return. Elrico Stinson on the tackle. Into the first half. Virgil Sanford will kick off.
Okay, he touched it. He's got his mark. 13-yard line.
Sanford's kick rolls out of bounds.
He said he touched it! He said he touched it! I watched it on TV.
The ball will come out to the 40-yard line on the kick going out of bounds according to Federation rule.
He signaled it!
Steve Truckley on the carry. Nick Demetris tripping him up on the play. Freddie Todd on the carry. Elrico Stinson, along with Mike Bayer's pass to Jimmy Morris, complete. Virgil Sanford. Mickey Mamarella will punt. Virgil Sanford along with Vance Yetz, deep.
What are you talking? What are we done now? 14 or 15? Peter ran it out. Peter ran outside the tackle.
Mike Tolowski.
No.
Todd Baker on the carry.
Contact. Todd.
Virgil Sanford.
You made a good one, Jim.
Get down there. All right.
Steve Truckley returns
Coach,
their own 47.
he angled inside and hit the quarterback. The play is there. We blocked the tackle with the fullback.
Steve Truckley.
He doesn't always read. Spinner and Smith are out to lunch because they're not always reading.
Pick it up!
Bears fumble, recovered by Steubenville. Elrico Stinson forces the fumble
Okay, good call.
for 48.
Good job.
Make 40.
Virgil Sanford
Spinner stands straight up in the air.
on the carry.
Give him hell, Kurt. Stay with it. Okay, I can't. It's close.
Vance Yetz on the carry.
I can't tell yet, Coach.
Robbie Jones runs him out of bounds.
2 yards short.
2 yards. Coach, what about... We cheated. See, he's back. I told him to pull when he's back.
Somebody's pulling. Cut it up.
I know. Come on, Kurt. Here they come, right over you. Always go right. Run him down.
Mike Bear's pass intended for Rick Zerker. Broken up.
What?
Oh my God.
Jimmy Morris on the carry. Virgil Sanford along 32.
What's that? Wow, he didn't go. Bobby didn't angle on Louis.
Freddie Todd on the carry.
Truckley got how much?
The Steubenville 25. Ball carried by number 30, Vince Contini.
Jamie Dubois, 7. He played last year.
Mike Bear's pass intended for Rick Zerker, 11.
They're going to pass out of this. Truckley got 4.
Steve Truckley, the tornado ball. Mike Bear's pass to number 7, Mickey Mamarella. 6-yard. Mamarella will hold. Scott Heller will attempt a point. Heller's kick is good. Dover Tornadoes 14, Steubenville Big Red 6 with Todd Dawson and Vance Johnson. Scott Heller will kick off.
Get up in the wind. 30-yard line.
Todd Dawson on the return.
Snap the ball. Go with the ball. Get up there and go. They're not even set. He's 2 yards. He's on the front off 15 yards.
Mike Tolosky on the carry.
That's away, Hart. First down about 43.
Virgil Sanford on the carry. Todd Baker.
Come on.
First down. I don't know how they're going to mark it.
Todd Baker, number 10 on the carry for Steubenville.
First down.
Tripped up by...
All right, folks. Second and about 5.
Todd Baker.
About 4. Okay, they got the safety all the way over here now. Safety's on this side of the field. Damn it. I can't even tell.
Vance Yetz, the ball carrier. Vance Yetz on the... Virgil Sanford on the carry. Baker's pass.
Right.
Red, red!
No, wait, what are you doing? You coming over here this side now? Okay, I see. There he is, Coach. You're right. You're right.
Todd Baker's pass is complete to Vance Yetz. Steve Truckley knocks Yetz.
Red!
Number 33, Vance Yetz on the rush. Scott Heller along with Jim Morris on the tackle.
Linebacker's playing deep. He stepped up inside. No, he didn't. He didn't take the fullback. Late hit. Fullback did not take the fullback. He went out. What you got? Damn fumble.
Vance Yetz on the rush.
He's outside.
Tim Altier on the tackle.
Half a yard.
Gain of 3 yards. 4th down, 1.
Coach, see how they're playing this split over here?
Red, go red! He got it.
Steve Truckley on the tackle for Dover.
20 yards on the
52.
fumble.
At the 1 yard line. They're playing Frank out here.
Mike Tolowski, 1 yard, touchdown, Steubenville. Mike, they will go on sale Tuesday at the high school. Virgil Sanford on the pitch out from Baker goes into the end zone for the 2-point Smith are deep.
Number 58 off the line.
He's on the line. He's on the line.
Steve Truckley on the return. Tripped up at the fumble on the play. Steubenville recovers.
We got a flag. We got a flag. We got a flag.
Number 72, Robert Jones with the fumble.
Off control.
Mike Tolowski on the carry. Penalty marker on the play.
Motion. Who's in motion? Catrone was in motion.
Preliminary indication, illegal shift, NATO 40. Todd Baker, sack.
No.
Steubenville. Jim Morris and Steve Truckley deep.
Get it down the middle.
Jim Toothman's punt down at the 6-yard line.
Come on, Red, give
Here they come.
Freddie Todd on the carry. Team from the Dover 3.
Got it back. God damn it.
Flag on a play.
Coach, what about fullback flat? Fullback flat because he'll be running off.
Jimmy Morris on the carry. Freddie Todd on the carry.
Stop, Truckley, out of way.
Timeout, timeout, timeout. Hey, the man on the sideline, man on the sideline.
Oh, the fullback pushed him.
Mike Bear on the keeper.
Did you see the fullback drove him through?
Aiding the runner a little bit there, God
There's
damn it.
some no signal to stop the clock. What are they doing over there?
Now there is. The fullback pushed him forward.
Official timeout for measurement. First down, Dover.
Get Jeff Jones the hell out of there.
Penalty. Mike Bear sent.
Way out there, Frank! There's nobody.
Freddie Todd on the carry.
Back up. Back up.
Steve Truckley on the carry. Steubenville Big Red 14.
Well, coach.